Creating digital traceability platform in Laravel. So this is the complete roadmap is here how I built. So this is the user you can get, department, unit, category, everything is routing is here, customer, warehouse, stock level, lots, and inspection and share. So you can put it here everything. So check the code how it's working. So check F, click the model. So how many model we have implemented? All model is here in the statics controller middleware. So there is middleware, ensure user active, and controller is diesel controller, how it's controlled. And the service space, so inventory service and number generator service we have implemented. So these are service is working backend. And database migration config, sorry, database migration, you can check scaffold is here, migration folder, so all migration is here. Checking the everything will part, and you can check resource view, all data is here. Also the root folder, everything is in the root, how I made it. So you can check it. This is one the modern traceability platform for any textile garments. So factory trace platform, you can make it in the custom what you need, where people is come, then getting the all everything the digital product was put.